Namaste, welcome to the Open Classes, and the topic is magnetic field and magnetic lines. Very important question discussion for 100% result. Now we are going to start the important point attraction on the magnetic field. We all know a compass needle shows deflection when placed near a magnet. If we increase the distance between the compass needle and the magnet, the deflection keep on decreasing, and after a point it does not show any deflection. It is observed that there is a region around any magnet up to which its force can be felt. The region around a magnet where its influence can be felt is called its magnetic field. So, this is the basic important point upon the magnetic field. Now, the next difference from magnetic field lines. If the direction of current in the wire is reversed, then the direction of deflection of the magnetic needle is also reversed. When the north pole of a small magnet is placed in the magnetic field of another magnet, it experiences a force and is free to move under the influence of magnetic field. The path traced by this north pole is called a magnetic field lines. So there is a difference between magnetic field and magnetic field lines. Now the direction of force on a north pole gives the direction of magnetic field. So the magnetic field lines always begin from the north pole of a bar magnet and ends on it the south pole. The SI unit of magnetic field is Tesla. Another unit of magnetic field is Gauss. Tesla it's denoted by the capital T and the Gauss GAUSS. That is the SI unit of magnetic field. Then the third point is the property of the magnetic field lines. So question is coming when what is the magnetic property of magnetic field lines? Then we can answer first, outside the body of the magnet, the direction of magnetic field lines from north pole to south pole. Number 2, the strength of magnetic field at any points depends upon the degree of closeness of the field line. The field line come closer to another near the poles of a magnet but widely separated at the other places. Number 3, at any given point tangent to the magnetic field lines gives the direction of net magnetic field at that point. Number 4, magnetic field lines never intersect each other, as magnetic field cannot have the two direction at one point. Now describing activity with a diagram to show that current owing in wire deflects magnetic needle. So we are going to set up, which is given in this figure, making a circuit. So set up a circuit with the help of a thick copper wire AB. In this diagram, AB is a thick copper wire. A battery sign is given over here, B, capital B, and the resistance R, the key K, connecting wire and magnetic compass, which is given as a needle. The magnetic compass is kept just vertically below AB. The direction of AB is along the north-south direction, when the key is pressed. The current flow in the wire AB from south to north. The magnetic needle placed below the wire deflect towards west. So the result can be remembered by the word snow. When the connection of the battery are reversed, the current in the wire flows from B to A, that is from north to south. In this case, the deflection of the needle is towards east. So which is given in this diagram all these things is clear. Describe an activity with the another question is describe an activity with a near diagram to show the magnetic field line around a bar magnet. Answer is the magnetic field pattern due to a bar magnet can be plotted by using a compass. Firstly, place a compass needle near to the north pole of the magnet. Place the compass near one pole of the magnet and mark the position of the ends N north and S of the south compass needle. Like poles repel each other, so the north pole of the compass needle stays away from the north pole of the magnet. Then move the compass until the end of the compass is over the second dot and mark the new position of the other with a third dot. Repeat the above step until reaching the other pole. Then join these series of dots and this will give a magnetic field line. Using this method, other field lines can also be drawn, which is given in this diagram, north and south. The direction is coming from the north to south and upper section, and also north to south in the lower section. Thank you to you all. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe and follow Tapovan classes.